Good morning. Happy another week. So for us in Melbourne, it is week 4 of the school. So week 4, day 1 is what I and my boys called it as. That said, I just finished my meditation and I was guided to speak about the procrastination that you all have asked support for. So procrastination can be looked in two ways. One, when we are comfortable where we are, which is what I would give myself as an example. That means now I am at a good place with my health. I no longer take thyroid medication. I no longer have that brain fogginess, dizziness, nothing. And my weight is also fine for my height. I'm between 65 to 66 for a 5 feet 7 inch tall. My blood parameters are all good. So for me, while I want to tone my abdominal muscles, which is what is sagged out after giving birth to two kids weighing 4 kgs each, but there is and there will be procrastination for me that I am in my good health, everything is fine. Do I still have to do those workouts for 5 days a week, or can I just do for 3 days or 2 days, or is it okay to skip sometimes? So that is with respect to workout. Likewise, if it is with respect to work, and when I know that I can get done in 2 hours, 3 hours, I tend to push it thinking I'll do it, but at the end it'll be like, I wish I could have done it earlier. I would not be in a stressful zone. So that is the way I would look at it as a first one, which means if you are in the best of your health, or you know that you are very close to your goal, so that can be one of the reasons why procrastination can come out or take its own shape. Now there is a second reason which I think would be more resonating with many of you, which is the place that you are already in is your comfort zone, meaning you have been struggling with health issues for years together, with PCOD, PCOS, thyroid, weight issues, anything for that matter, and subconsciously your body is happy being in that place. It might not be a conscious choice, but it can be subconsciously that you're happy over there, and anything above and beyond it, which is wanting to do your workouts, wanting to stick to your dietary pattern, wanting to do the meditation practices, journeys through consciousness, there is a shield that comes in between that, no, you have been comfortable here, which is not the fact. I know you have been struggling, but subconsciously that is what your inner dialogue is. And that is when you tend to like, all right, let's do it tomorrow. Or you find reasons of, but I have my family, but I have kids. But I have to do other work, right? So this is a subconsciously patterned dialogue that which keeps coming time and again. Now, what we can do for this is where the soul thing comes into effect, which are the different week after week, the recordings that which has Lydia amazingly created and shared with each of us. Right. While Aparna beautifully supports with the dietary requirements, with the exercise routines, and I work on that aura, energy cleansing, energy shielding, radical self-love, healing inner child. What Lydia does with brain mapping, brain rewiring, identifying those patterns is what we need to be focused on. So for you to even stick to the program, sometimes it is about I am just going to do it. Like for example, if I have to give myself as an example, I follow this mantra of brush, bath, meditate, exercise. So I'm done with brush, bath, meditation done. Exercise is planned for 12:30 my afternoon. This is my continuous 5 days a week. I have no choice. That is how I have told myself. I do not have a choice. I have to do this. So if you continue to do that in that way, your body will try to find ways and means of how you can do it. But before that, it will test you in its own way. I hope this resonates with you. I don't want it to go for too long, but I would love to hear your thoughts by sharing your inputs that yes, this resonates with me, or no, this does not resonate. My issue is something different, and help me with it. Have a lovely, lovely rest of your weekend if you're in other part of the world, or a good start of the next week. Let's get this done, girls. Yeah, take care.